Hey guys, Adam Booth from ABOM79. Today I want to talk to you about this cutting oil from CRC Industries. I've been running this for the past 4 to 5 years around my shop, and I have found several applications where this is extremely useful to have, especially any kind of drilling and threading operation. I have a couple of tapping arms that we use for power tapping and even chamfering and reaming, and anytime I'm using that machine, I always reach over and grab this can of cutting oil from CRC. The way that they have this stuff formulated is that it has a foaming action to it. So when you spray it on that cutter or even your work surface, it's going to cling to those metal surfaces. It's going to stay there through the duration of the cut, helping to prolong your tool life and give you better finishes there as well. And it's good for both ferrous and non-ferrous types of materials. So not just for steel, you can use this for aluminum, copper, brass, stainless steel, pretty much any kind of metal cutting application that you have, this is going to be good for. I've used this all the way up to my 2-inch taps, going through mild steel, and it works great. But it's not just great inside a machine shop, it's great out there in the field there as well. You guys might have a service van or a service truck and you're out there in the field and you're performing different drilling or thread cutting operations like using a pipe threader. This is great for stuff like that. Even inside a metal fabrication shop where you're running shears and punch presses, this will provide the lubrication action that you need for those metal cutting operations. It's really useful around mag drills. You know, sometimes when you're running a mag drill, you might be up on a beam somewhere and drilling in a horizontal position or even overhead, and you need some kind of cutting oil while you're, trying to punch a hole through a beam. That's where you can grab this can of CRC cutting oil. You spray it down there on that cutter, it's going to cling to it, it's going to stick there, it's not going to run off and drip everywhere, and it's going to provide that lubricating action that you need whenever you're performing that drilling or tapping operation. It's simple to clean up too. If you have a solvent degreaser like this from CRC, you can just spray it on there and it just wipes right off. The other thing that I like about this is that it's in an aerosol can. You really don't have to worry about it being in some kind of container or another oil can where it's going to get spilled out. This is a self-contained can, so if you have a service truck or any kind of mobile truck where you have all your tools and you're going to the job site, this is great to have on there because you don't have to worry about it spilling out everywhere. It comes with a straw so you can stick it on the nozzle and spray it directly on the cutter or the application in which you're using it for. So if you're looking for a really good, high quality, versatile cutting fluid for your shop or business, check out this cutting oil from CRC Industries.